3 ways to slow cook with a busy schedule. Ever feel like you don't have time to enjoy the magic of low and slow cooking? Well, I'm here to tell you that even the busiest bees can whip up delicious meals with a little planning. Number 1. Prep ahead. Chop your veggies, marinate your meat, and even brown your ingredients the night before. This way, all you have to do in the morning is toss everything in the pot and hit the on button. Number 2. Double up. When you do have time, make a big batch and freeze half for later. That way, you'll have a ready-made meal on those crazy days when you just don't have the energy to cook. Before I get to the last one, please subscribe to our channel for new slow living ideas every day. Number 3. Get creative. Slow cookers aren't just for stews and soups. You can make everything from breakfast oatmeal to pulled pork sandwiches to decadent desserts. So get out there and experiment. Remember, slow cooking is all about convenience and flavor. So don't let your busy schedule stop you from enjoying this amazing cooking method.